another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is T. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like, girlfriend. And today, you know what I'm saying, I'm just giving you all types of outside just reopened. We're about to go on a car date because yes, I'm not sitting in restaurants anymore, okay? We're doing curbside pickup and going and watching the sunset or something. That's about to be our romantic date. So now, let's just get into this hair. Girl, yes, I look like a troll. Yes, and so the first thing I like to do is blow dry my hair, of course. Some people like to stretch their hair with like twisting or banding it, but I personally feel like I get the best results when I blow dry my hair. So that's what I'm gonna do. I just showed y'all this one little clip of me parting my hair because y'all know it takes hours, literally hours to do it. So boom, y'all should see the finished product because I was not about to record that whole process. It was not today. All right, so now I go in with this crochet method. I randomly came across this method at like 2 in the morning and I was like, oh, let me try this out. So I take my crochet needle and stick it in diagonally, and this does matter, like the way you place the fake hair into your part, it'll either show a knot or it won't show a knot. So I noticed that placing it in a diagonal angle, it didn't show a knot. So yes, that does matter. But once you pull the hair all the way through, you'll separate your hair into 2 or 3 sections. I feel like it's better to separate it into 3 sections because it looks more natural that way. So I would do 3. I was just experimenting. I was doing 2 or 3 just to see like which way looked better, and definitely 3 sections looks better. So separating your real hair into 3 sections. And I'm probably not even explaining it the best because it's really hard to explain. And me personally, I'm a visual learner. So if you're like that too, you probably don't even benefit from me talking right now. So I'm gonna just shut up and let y'all see what I'm doing.
Excuse me.
Yeah, I started forming habits. I used to be calm, then my mind turned kinda savage, yeah. The come up was more than fast, it was rapid, that bad bitch, yeah, you know I had to nab it, but it's cool though, I had game, no clue though, I came in on an unknown tip, they were like, damn who, bro, but I stay out of this world, I'm on Pluto, a man handle the beat like judo, I said I'm in control of my time to blow, this young nigga put a bomb in a Hublot. Okay, so I'm ready to detonate. I didn't come to play, you can get that straight. Wait, all you other niggas I will decimate. You're trying to copy the kid but can't replicate. Emulate what I'm doing. Everyone's a critic, you can get to reviewing. Ay, all I want is a shit to go cosmic. I stay with a young G, never lost it. Cause this shit's different, man. I started forming habits. And all that flying shit, you know we gotta have it. And yeah, we started causing havoc. Said all my niggas stay wavy, corner rapid, just corner rapid, said all my niggas wavy, corner.
Moving right along to my nails, I love me a good little press-on set. This one is from Kiss. This press-on set, personally, I like the best because they have lengths for petite nails, and my nail beds are really short and like small, so these fit me perfectly. So now what you see me doing is cleaning out under my nails because it's, you know, it's a little dirty under there. I think that was some soil from me messing with my plant earlier. Girl, it looks like I haven't washed my hands. I swear I wash my hands. Like, I scrub them. I swear I do. Don't judge me. Do not judge me. But yeah, actually press-on nails are pretty simple to put on. You just file your nail down, and then you just take that little that filer and buff your nails to get it like textured and gritty, so that when you put your nail glue on, it adheres that press-on nail to your nail. And I'm telling you, doing it this way, your press-ons will at least last you a week. At least. I ain't saying it's gonna last you 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 months. Like, no. A week. I also love this nail kit because it comes with a lot of nails, like extra nails. So just in case one pops off randomly, you have one to replace it. And girl, did I mention that this joint is $5? $5. So what? $5 compared to $40, $50 that you spend on gel or acrylic or whatever. Like, that is a steal. What? Save your money, sis.
And we started causing havoc. Said all my niggas stay away, we gonna rap it,
Woo. Okay, so now for this face, this beat, this mug, this look I like to call snatching his soul effortlessly. You know what I'm saying? Just a little effortless beat. This is my go-to glam when I just want to look cute for a date night, and it's only one eyeshadow. But I did use some new products in here. I will put everything in the description box below so you guys can check that out. But you know, this was like 3 days after I did my nails and hair, and I didn't really feel like talking, and I don't really feel like talking now. So I just want to play some, you know, vibey music and let y'all see me do my makeup, because me doing makeup makes me feel better. So yeah, I'm just going to stop talking and I will come talk to you guys when I am done. Okay? All right?
But you give it back.
Excuse me.
Yeah, I started forming habits. I used to be calm, then my mind turned kinda savage, yeah. The come up was more than fast, it was rapid, yeah. That bad bitch, yeah, you know I had to nab it, but it's cool though. I had game, no clue though. I came in on an unknown tip, they were like, damn who, bro? But I stay out of this world, I'm on Pluto. A man handle the beat like judo. I said I'm in control of my time to blow. This young nigga put a bomb in a Hublot. Okay, so I'm ready to detonate. I didn't come to play, you can get that straight. Wait, all you other niggas I will decimate. You're tryna copy the kid but can't replicate. Emulate what I'm doing. Everyone's a critic, you can get to reviewing. Ay, all I want is a shit to go cosmic. I stay with a young G, never lost it. Cause this shit's different, man. I started forming habits. And all that flying shit, you know.
Okay, you guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it useful, helpful, and hopefully inspiring. I was actually very shook when I started doing the crochet braid method. I was like, okay. Link. That's a game changer for me. If you guys like these type of videos, then definitely give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next, and subscribe if you are not already part of the gang. Also follow me on Instagram at naturally.sunny. Follow me on TikTok at naturally.sunny. And well, that is it. Let's just go ahead and wrap this up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.